Hi guys, today I'll show you this Ohnar zoom slide duplicator. I don't know how to use this. I'm just gonna sell it, and maybe you know how to use it, then it's good lah. So it has a screw mount. It looks like M42. Let me see. It's an M42. So yeah, it's actually M42, which is great. It's very compatible to a lot of systems. And the front is this thing. I don't know how to work it. Then he has all these controls where I don't know what it is. So I'm gonna show you the condition itself. So this is the side. I'm gonna rotate to show you. And this is the front. Okay. And this is the back. Okay. Alright, so if you want this, you can let me know. I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. It will really help. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.